In this video, I'll demonstrate how I earned $29.50 in a single day using a recently introduced money-making app. This app offers a payment of $120 for each ad you watch, and the best part is, it's entirely free. By simply watching 10 ads, you can earn $12, and this earning potential increases with each set of ads you watch. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. To get started, the first step is to enter the app's name, surfy.b, in the search bar. You can click on the first link or visit surfy.b/earn directly. This app enables you to make money online by watching ads without any upfront investment. Notably, the minimum withdrawal is only 3 cents and you receive your earnings within 24 hours. Before you rush to register, it's crucial to watch the entire video as I'll provide comprehensive details to ensure you make the most of this opportunity. I personally test these apps to confirm their legitimacy, and rest assured, if you don't have PayPal, there are alternative payment methods available. You have the flexibility to use this on your computer or download the app to your smartphone. The earning process is incredibly simple. Register on the website, install their extension, and it will display banner ads on the websites you visit. I'll quickly show you an example of how these ads appear. As I already have the extension installed, when I visit youtube.com or prefer a Google search, banner ads from Surfy pop up without the need to click on them. The beauty of this system is that you get paid for every ad that appears and you don't have to interact with them. As you scroll down, you can see the earnings of other users, with some making $24 or $31 in a single day. This demonstrates the potential for substantial earnings. Now, your first step is to create your account. Scroll to the top of the page and click on Create an Account. Fill in the required information, including a username, email, and password. After that, click Sign Up. Once you've completed this step, verify your email and log into your account. You'll be directed to a page where you should choose the option that says, I'm a user. Answer the question asking if you've ever worked with similar websites by selecting Yes, I have experience or EXP. Click Thank you. Your dashboard will now be displayed, showcasing your earnings. In my case, I've earned $73 this week. While this might not be a substantial amount, it serves as a proof of the platform's legitimacy. Beginners will find this platform particularly appealing as it doesn't require any specific skills. Also, you have the option to make money by watching videos, although this won't be the primary focus of this video. To give it a try, double-click on a video and it will open in a new tab. Simply watch the video for 20 seconds. Click the icon and wait for about 20 seconds until it's completed. As you can see from my example, I earned 30 cents. Keep in mind that the amount you earn may vary depending on your country. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We would love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Now, let's delve into the most crucial aspect: how to make money by watching ads. Don't forget to like the video and feel free to share your location in the comment section. Now, the initial step is to navigate to the section labeled Extension. Subsequently, install the extension for Google Chrome or one of the other available browsers. Click on the respective browser and this will lead you to the Chrome Web Store. Notably, the extension already boasts over 880,000 users and approximately 1,200 positive reviews. To integrate the extension, select Add to Chrome and then click Add Extension. Congratulations! The extension is now successfully installed. It's worth mentioning that surfy.b is relatively new and not many people are aware of it yet. It's advisable to capitalize on this opportunity before it becomes saturated. After installing the extension, your work is essentially complete. It will start displaying ads on every website you visit using your browser. You have the flexibility to adjust the ad's position by clicking on the provided icon. Should you wish to close the ad, simply click the X icon. Stay tuned until the end of the video, and I'll share my exclusive trick that enabled me to earn $73 in less than a week without much effort. While you won't be making thousands of dollars with this method, it's still an opportunity for free money, and the good news is that it operates globally. To initiate the withdrawal process, simply click on Withdraw Funds located here. The platform offers various payment methods as mentioned earlier. Additionally, you can explore another avenue to earn through the app or extension. By clicking on the extension icon, you'll discover the option to visit websites and earn money. Click on Start, wait for about 20 to 30 seconds, and you'll receive payment. Although these tasks pay more to users in the US, I have a special trick for those outside America. You can use a VPN or virtual private network extension to obtain an American IP. Install the VPN, select the USA, and turn it on. Another strategy I employ is leveraging their affiliate program. Navigate to Referrals, then click on Links and Stats. Access promo banners to find your affiliate link, granting you a $5.25 commission from your referrals earnings. Utilize platforms like Facebook to promote your link, particularly in groups related to making money online. For those with websites, you can advertise on the platforms to increase traffic. Visit Adverts, then proceed to the Add Adverts under Banner Advert to add your website. Checking reviews on the Chrome Web Store reveals mostly positive feedback, confirming its legitimacy. Always keep the extension active on your browser to display ads on every visited website. You don't even need to click on these ads to earn money. Consider adding the extension to multiple browsers on your computer to maximize earnings. Personally, I would rate this method an 8 or 9 out of 10. I strongly recommend inviting more people to increase passive income. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!